So you've come to the last page of your holiday work. In this question and the next, you need to know the formula you should use for finding the area of a sector. You can see ABC. That's a sector that's part of a full circle. And if this is the sector, and say if this area here, this angle here is theta, okay, so the area of the sector ABC, okay, area of a sector, well, actually I should say sector area, is equals to the angle out of 360, of course, because this is part of the circle, angle over 360 multiplied by pi r squared, and of course r is the radius of the circle. You might also be asked to find the arc length. So in this case, the arc length in this case here, you can see that's from A to C. That's the arc length, AC. And arc length, you can see it's part of the circumference. So therefore, the formula that you use must also be 3 over 360. Sorry, theta over 360, which is the fraction of this particular arc over 360 degrees times pi d. Pi d gives you the circumference. So now let's look at this question here. This is a diagram of a sector, center O. The radius is 13, and the angle of sector is 150. Calculate the area of the sector. So area of sector, we use this formula. So area is equals to angle over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. Can you see that formula that we have here? So the angle is 150 and r is 13 because that's the radius. And then you use your calculator. So it's 150 over, oh sorry, I can't do that. I have to get a fraction in first. It's 150 over 360. 360, and then multiply by pi, shift pi times r squared, which is 13 squared. You may use brackets if you like. What does that give you? 845 over 12 pi. Sometimes it's useful for you to write down 845 over 12 pi. So this is 845 over 12 pi. That is your answer in terms of pi. And in actual decimal places, if you press S to D, it's 2 to 1.22, but you want to answer correct to 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 221. So it's 221 cm squared.